flashbacks. Ay! Flashbacks. I'm ready to come. It's too big. Hey, no throwing it. You have to get it. Yeah, we can throw it after. Hey. You'll save. Oh. Oh my God. Open that miss. What? How did I miss that opportunity? Oh no. Heavy flashbacks. Oh my goodness. What are these goofy ass shots? Oh no. I know you're gonna hit it off the ball. Look at this touch. I didn't mean to, okay? I have no control. Yeah. Hey you! What is going? What in the Caribbean? My mind right now is Stanley Cup. Toe drag release. Yo, one. Where'd it go? Excuse me. Oh. Yeah, fun again. Oh my goodness. That was my man. Okay, you know what? I'm funning because of my the pizza. Hey, you can't do that. Okay, let's do face off then. No way. Nope. Ow! Oh, my toesies. Oh, my toe drag release. Toe drag release. That's toe drag release. Woo! You're horrible at shooting, so I'm not scared. Well, how come I got a goal? One goal. Are you at 1-1? Yeah. But I'm good at goalie. Kind of. Cut my life into pieces. They say my life ain't hard. Go faster! Woo woo! Woo woo! I forgot what team it was. Oh yeah. Miss. Oh, you want to send over that again? You can't do that. Just wasting time. Good job, outlet. That was a horrible shot. Sam. Let's go! What? Hey, VAR! one after another.
Got it anyway.
Oh, yeah.